Alright, what's up y'all, it's Cam, and today I got something special to show y'all. So this is my 1991 Pontiac Firebird. I just bought it, man. It's really something I've been wanting for a long time now, probably since about like middle school or so, when I really started to get into cars and whatnot. These were some of the first ones I got into. And a little surprise, it's already 350 swapped. So it came with the 305 stock, and basically, a long story short, who I bought it from was a girl who had it when it was stock, and her ex-boyfriend, he swapped the 350 in there. Now, like, it wasn't even like halfway done, but he had the motor in there, and then they broke up. So then that's where she ended up putting the car on Facebook Marketplace. I saw it and I came and picked it up. So yeah, I still got a lot of things that needs to be sorted out, but I can tell you for a fact she will start. Actually, let's try that now. Yeah, but anyways, like I said, I still got a lot of things to get sorted out, but let me go ahead and do this for y'all. Shit, let me do this for my damn self. See, it's clean on the inside too. I mean, for a 91. And then I'm the one who got all these parts and shit in here, but let's see. It came with this steering wheel in here too, and I like it. I'm not gonna change it. I'm just trying to prime that carburetor up. Hold on. I think I know. I think I know just what it needs. Let's see something. This is just to start it up. Not a fix, not a permanent fix at all, but tap the starter a few times.